This is usually a VRML geography file that describes a 3D world. You can view it with a VRML Viewer plugin or specialized CAD software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a viewer. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens GEO files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The $GEO file extension is associated with two distinct applications. It can represent a VRML, virtual reality modeling language, file used for describing interactive 3D vector graphics, especially on the web. Alternatively, it may be associated with Geometer's Sketchpad, a dynamic geometry software storing geometric constructions and diagrams. VRML GEO files adhere to the VRML standard, defining 3D scenes using a text-based format that specifies shapes, textures, and interactions. Geometer's Sketchpad .geo files contain instructions for constructing geometric figures, preserving relationships, and allowing dynamic manipulation of the diagram's elements. The file format is proprietary to Geometer's Sketchpad. The best utility for reliable viewing of GEO is known to be Geometer's Sketchpad by Key Curriculum Press. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows provides only minimal insight, while complete functionality comes from GIS platforms. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your GEO file and choose Open With. Test with Geometer's Sketchpad first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. When a GEO file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, use Geometer's Sketchpad. Open the file using Geometer's Sketchpad, the required application for the math project. Next, use GIS software. If a geographic file, open the file using a GIS application, e.g. ArcGIS. Finally, open as text. Open the GEO file in a text editor to view the raw data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.